Sorry. Okay, so the controller's booting up. We mostly shoot in, we do a lot of manual shows, especially if it's like a small wedding or just a show where it's like, we don't need to do choreograph or like a pyro musical. So a lot of our shows are shot in manual. I know there's videos online, but I'll just do it because I'm literally just practicing my, something that you do seasonal. You don't do it year round. So it's just good to get ahead of things, make sure you didn't forget what buttons to press. So just practicing syncing these. Okay. It's in program mode. You can also, I'm sure most of you know this, but let's see if I can get this. You can hold down the program button and go right into program on your module. And then just hold it down for 3 seconds until it blinks. Let go. Once that hits, don't touch anything until that's going through all the buttons, all the connectivity. It's checking your battery life and all that fun stuff. So once you're done, if you had 10 modules, turn your controller on and off. Off and on. Jeez, I can't talk tonight. Okay. It should be good. The module's channel 2. And yep, it's showing that 2 and 12 would have a shell. There's my dummy wire. It's literally just electrical wire. Anything. Just to practice safely with no live. So if that was a full module, you would be ready to fire. You would just turn that to arm.